In today's video, we're gonna be testing this Pelsee P12 Pro. This one is a rear view mirror with dashcam, also with smart driving. That is a line assistant, blind spot, yeah, a lot of cool features. So in today's video, we're gonna test it and we're gonna see how good it is. Coming up next. Okay, and this is what it comes inside of the box. This is the Pelsee mirror dash camera. So this is a rear view mirror and a dash cam. The camera is a 4K resolution for the front and 1080p resolution for the rear camera. And it's a touch screen. This is the screen. I have to remove this. Okay, but this is the screen for the camera. It's nice, pretty big. The camera is right here. It's a 4K camera. The connections are here. Power connection, USB-C, connection for the rear camera, micro SD card slot. The SD card is included. 32 gigs card is included. And the connection for the GPS antenna. This is the back. This is the front. Power cable, USB-C, and cigarette lighter connection for your car. USB-A connection on the back. This is the GPS antenna with the connection. This is the rear camera. The rear camera is 1080p resolution with the extension and the plug. Comes with the double-sided tape for the rear camera. And it comes with the extra tape and screws. Trim tool, the straps, two different sizes. Oh no, I think they're the same size, but it comes with two extras. The micro SD card, 32 gigs, cloth to clean the screen, and the manual and some warranty cards. And that's everything that comes inside of the box. One cool feature about this camera, it has the bracket, this one, to put it inside of the cabin. You can see it has this, so you can put it inside of the car. That's amazing. You can put it outside or inside of the cabin. That's amazing. Okay, the camera and the rear mirror is already installed. As you can see, it's good. It's still touching the top, as you can see. The top of this plastic, but it's better than the other one. Okay, so I can see the rear right there. I can move it. That's amazing. So the next thing is to align this camera, this one. Okay, let's turn it on first and let's see. Plug this one there, and let's see how it works. This it says please format the SD card. Okay, yes, formatting successful. All right. Cool. Okay, now we're ready, everything installed. I already put the GPS, the rear camera, and the power connection on the top. Okay, so this is how it looks when you turn on the car. You can click here, and if you slide your finger to the right, it will change the view for the camera. You see, front camera and rear camera.
Okay.
Then rear and front and rear camera. And then it has this one. You can adjust the view for the camera like this. Cool. And then you have this one for the brightness. You can lower it and make it brighter. Let's leave it all the way to the top. And then you have the menu on the bottom. The home is for the settings and everything, okay? The second one is for the audio. You can turn it on, mute it, or turn it the audio on. The third one is for the screenshot. This one in purple is to start or stop the recording. Okay, and the last one is to lock the video. Okay, the last one.
Okay.
And also this one has a voice control. You can tell this one to lock it or unlock it. It has this one feature. Okay, so now let's go to the home, and you have to stop the recording. Yes, this one is to go back to the camera, like that. It goes back. Okay, now let's see how to set up the smart driving. We're gonna do the settings and then we're gonna test it. So first we can open it here, and this one is the advanced driver assistance. Okay, you can turn on the tone or the display area. You can turn it on and off. Okay, and you can calibrate it in here. So the bottom line is for the ground, so we can move it with the yellow, this one. Let's put it, okay, that's all the way down. And now the red one, it has to be on the horizon. I think it's a little bit down. I think so. Yeah. And then click save to save your settings, because if you don't save it, everything's gonna be deleted. So click save, right? And then we can turn it on. Cool. And the next one is the blind spot detection. Okay. And the alarm is on. And let's calibrate. Probably we can move it a little bit up, I think. Oh, it has a red dot, and you can move it with this one. You can move it, and then you can move it up with the arrows, and then click save. I think for that is okay. You can turn it on. Okay. The next one is line changing assistant, or high. We're gonna leave it in high just for the test. You can remember, you can turn it on and off if you don't want to use it. Let's calibrate. All right. Whew. Okay. So remember, with the red dot you can move it. Let's move it like that, and then this one we can move it probably like that, and click save. Remember, you can adjust it the way you want it. Settings, we have it like already there, and we're gonna turn it on. Okay, so now let's test these things. Let's see how they work.
Front vehicle starting. Watch for collision. Front vehicle starting. Maintain a safe distance.
So those are all the smart driving features. I have to adjust a little bit better the settings, but that's how it works. If your car doesn't have that, it will be very helpful for your car. My car already has the line assistant and all that, collision sensor, everything. So I'm gonna turn it off for now, but this is very helpful if your car doesn't have that. The third one is, these are the files: front camera, rear camera, locked videos, and images. Okay, so you can see the video right there, and go back the back camera, and that's the video. Cool. Video locked. I don't have anything because I just installed the camera. Image, I have some screenshots. B is for the back and F is for the front. Okay, so now camera settings. Okay, so these are the camera settings. The video resolution, you can change it to 4K for the front, 1080p for the rear, 2K for the front, 1080p or 1080p, 1080p. Okay, we're gonna leave it in 4K and 1080p. Okay, the video, you can make it 1 minute, 2 minutes long, or 3 minutes long. I always like it to put it in 1 minute because the video is shorter and doesn't take that long to download. The frequency, we can leave it in 60 Hertz. Cool. G sensor sensitivity, let's leave it in low. Okay. Y dynamic range, this one is when the video is too dark or too bright, it will make it easier to see it. Okay. The sound, okay, sound, you can turn it on and off. Time stamp, mirror the rear view. Okay, and that's everything for the camera settings. And now let's go to the system settings. The rear view default. Set rear view default. Let's put that. Let's see. As a default view, when you turn on the camera, it will turn on the rear view. The volume, yeah, put it on the 1. Boot up sound, touch sound. Let's turn it off. Okay. Auto power off, auto screen off. No, I'm gonna leave it like that. For now, it's okay. Speed unit, miles per hour. Okay. The GPS speed accuracy 0. Language English. Yeah, I'll leave it in English. The time zone in here, I think, is -6. Voice control, let's put it in low. Yeah, because sometimes you are talking and it will turn off the camera by itself. Select alert voice, female, or yeah, for now I'm gonna leave it like that. Satellite information. Oh, wow. Date and time settings. And then you can format the SD card here, the version information of this camera, and the factory settings if you want to reset everything to the factory settings. And that's everything. Cool. So it's super easy to use. Okay, so those are all the settings. This camera doesn't have a Wi-Fi, so it means that you cannot use it doesn't have an app for this camera. Okay, so if you want to download the videos, you have to remove the SD card and plug it in your computer, and then you can get the files. Okay, or if you want to see it, you can see them here. Okay, directly on this screen. But if you want to download them, you have to remove the micro SD card, put it on your computer, and with that you can download it if you need it for a police officer to give it to them. You have to download it and you can send it by an email. Okay. Also, one more thing. To view the videos on your computer, you have to download a software. You have to go to this website and then download this DV player software, and they have it for Windows and Mac. And then after that, you can open the software and you can drag any of the files and convert it to MP4 video. It's gonna ask you to purchase the software, but you don't have to. You can do it without purchasing the software. Just drag the file and it will convert the video to MP4 video. Now we already saw all the settings, how to use it. So now let's see the view for the day view and night view for the resolution for the videos coming up next. Alright, so we're ready. This is the day view for the front camera. The front camera is a 4K resolution and it looks pretty good. Resolution is pretty good. Everything is clear. I can see the cars in front, license plates. The resolution is perfect for the front camera during the day. So for the day view for the front camera, the view is great. Now this is the day view for the rear camera. The rear camera is 1080p resolution. So for the day, still great. This is 1080p resolution, so it's a little bit more blurry than the front camera, but still everything is very clear and readable for the day. You can see the cars, you can see the shapes, what car it is, you can see everything pretty clear. So for the rear camera during the day is very good. And now let's see the night view for the front camera with a 4K resolution. So the front camera, it has night vision because as we can see, everything is clear. We can see it, it's readable, license plate and cars, everything is visible. So with the night vision, it helps a lot for the night for the front camera. It's good. Alright, so this is the night view for the rear camera. The rear camera is 1080p resolution and this is the night view. As we can see, everything is good. The glare, it does affect a little bit with the view, but we still, with the night vision, we can see the license plate, we can see the car. When the car gets closer, we can see the license plate. For the night, for the rear camera, it's still good. Okay, this is the Pelsee mirror dash cam. This is a 2-channel dash cam. The model is the P12 Pro. So the camera is very good, it's great. You have a rear mirror with a dash cam, front and rear camera, and also you have the smart driving feature, so that is great. So the link for this product is gonna be on the description of the video down below if you wanna get it. Put in the comments what do you think. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like the video. Subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you, God bless you, and see you on the next video. Okay guys, so I have a good and bad news. Okay, the thing is, because on the giveaways that I have done before, the last 3 winners, they didn't claim the prize. Okay, so because of that, the bad news is that we're gonna stop the giveaways because of that. So because the winners, they are not claiming the prize. Okay, so the good news is that I am going to sell it for a very affordable price. So I'm gonna put a link on the description of the video. I'm still working on that, so I'm gonna put all the dash cam that I still have, the mirrors, everything, any car gadgets that I have that I was gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna put them there, all the dash cams. So I'm gonna put the link for everything. If you're interested on any of these, they're open box but it's still brand new. I'm gonna put a link on the description of the video if you wanna get that for yourself. Okay, but let me know what you guys think. Thank you for supporting the channel, for liking the videos, for everything. Thank you. Okay, God bless you. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel, keep liking the videos, that helps the channel a lot. Subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you, and see you on the next video.